Alright guys, so today I'm going to be replacing my Integra hatch lift supports, or struts, however you want to call them, is these right here. These are right here. Mine still work most of the time, but sometimes it does tend to fall down. So I was in the junkyard the other day and I found these. They were pretty good, so I decided to buy them. I'm just going to be using these two tools right here just to take them out. It's pretty simple. So this is before. Kind of drops down sometimes. See that? Not the best. Still holding on, but you know, could use some new ones. Well, they're not even new. These are junkyard ones, but they were pretty good. Got them around $9 each. By the way, make sure to have something to support the hatch, because when you're gonna take these off, the hatch is gonna have no more support, you know. So just make sure so the hatch won't fall on your head and go on a concussion or something. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, depends on your car, there's this little cover right here. Just want to pop this off right here, just like that. And then there's a little horseshoe, little thing right there. This little silver piece, have to take off. Focus. Just have to take that off, and then this will come out. And then after that, you just have to use this little wrench. Just take it off, and you're probably gonna need a little bigger one right here. I don't know if you can see that well. Alright, so once you have this little piece off right here, off of this, you want to get might have to figure out what size right here. Just have to take that off. So I'm gonna go get the right size and take that off. Alright, so I took out the old struts, and these are the new ones right here. See this? Better. They don't go down. They'll just stay in their place. Didn't have the tool. I had to call up my friend with this truck over here. But yeah, that's how you do it.